Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. I am a slow walker, but I never walk back. My concern is not whether God is on our side, my greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right. Whatever you are, be a good one. I destroy my enemies when I make them my friends. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak out and remove all doubt. The best way to predict your future is to create it. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me and I didn't have the heart to let him down. I don't like that man. I must get to know him better. I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. You can fool all the people some of the time, and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. I do not think much of a man who is not wiser today than he was yesterday. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure.